The process of road patching will occur in what way? And how many methods of road patching are there? Let's watch this entire video to learn more knowledge. Resurfacing roads with stone mastic asphalt, also known as stone mastic asphalt pavement, is a construction process of building roads by applying a layer of mixture of stone and asphalt on the surface of old roads. Stone mastic asphalt is commonly used for recycling and upgrading old road surfaces, creating a smooth and durable overlay. Road patching with adhesive patches is a repair process where specialized adhesive patches are used to supplement or protect damaged road surfaces. Alternatively, a supplemental portion will be joined with the damaged road surface, and then it will be applied. When damaged sections along the road's edge or sidewalks occur, they will remove the damaged portion and apply new concrete. In some cases, they will have to cut the stone like this. They will excavate the broken portion entirely, then apply new concrete following the proper guidelines. And that completes the repair process. For those who love art, the decoration process is indispensable, making everything more intricate and detailed.